Hi everyone, welcome to Wednesday's English lesson. Exactly like Monday and Tuesday, your learning objective for today is I can write to persuade. Right, the first thing that we're going to do is go through the activity or the task that I set you yesterday to see if you could highlight any informal language in the letter to The Incredible Hulk. Hopefully, I mean, these are the examples that I've identified here. I've underlined them for you. Hopefully these are the ones that you notice yourself. So you had hello instead of dear Mr. Hulk. He's so scary. Definitely not formal writing there. Again, you've got some examples of it's rather than it is. That appears twice. So you've got it, and my mouse has gone here and then again here. I love you. That shouldn't be an informal piece of writing. The same here, you've got do not, which has been abbreviated to don't. It would be so cool if you could beat him. Definitely not formal language there. You're great. Not really needed. Again, if you were going to change it to formal, you could put you are great. It doesn't really need to be there, to be honest. And then when you're signing off, thanks rather than yours sincerely. So hopefully you managed to identify those things in the letter. Right, moving on to today's lesson. Okay, so it says, let me move this out of the way. Persuasive texts are constructed to make the reader do something. Today we will be looking at persuasive techniques. Which techniques do you think are required for persuasive writing? You can pause the video there if you would like to and write some down, because on the next slide I will be going through a really easy way for you to remember them. Okay, so pause the video if you want to. Right, hopefully you managed to write some down. Now there is a really easy way to remember these techniques, so the persuasive techniques, and that is to remember to go through a forest. If you have a look here, A is for alliteration, F is for facts, O is for opinions, R is for rhetorical question. You don't just have to use one, you could use many. E is for emotive language, S is for statistics, and T is for three, so the rule of three. Now what we like you to do is have a look at the letter from yesterday. Now I have taken out the informal language this time, so this is, you can use this tomorrow as it would have been our shared write. So this is my example. You can use this when you're writing your letter tomorrow to your chosen superhero. I've taken out the informal writing in here, so this is how it would be sent. Now what we would like you to do is to look at this example and underline or highlight examples of each of the features, and I've just put them at the top of the screen here to remind you. Now, there's one other feature that we would like you to point out as well, and that it must be written in the first person, so we'd like you to highlight examples of that as well. So that's your task for today. I will go through this with you first thing like I'm in school. I will go through this with you on tomorrow's video so that you can see if you identified everything correctly. Okay, have fun with this task. I hope you understand what you need to do. Don't forget you can email if you have any questions and we'll get back to you. Okay, take care. Bye.